Here are 9 rising and trending repos on GitHub. Openscreen is an open source screen recorder that lets you capture polished demo videos without watermarks, subscriptions, or commercial restrictions. The README shows quick install steps for macOS and Linux, plus a short list of core features like cursor smoothing and export presets. It's a good example of taking one common creative task and making the open source version just as usable as the paid tools. Oh-my-codex gives you a CLI toolkit to turn any codebase into a live workspace with agent teams, hooks, and a heads-up display. The README shows you can spin up a local agent swarm that reads your repo, answers questions, and even runs tasks while you code. It's built for devs who want to keep context close without leaving the terminal, and the quick start section proves you can get it running in minutes. System Prompts Leaks collects the exact instructions that power popular AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Grok. The repo shows the system prompts, model versions, and update timestamps, so you can see how each service sets guardrails and tone. If you're building AI products or just curious about what happens behind the scenes, this gives you a rare look at the rules that shape every response. Skill Seekers turns docs, GitHub repos, and PDFs into Claude AI skills with one command. It parses the content, checks for conflicts, and packages it so Claude can use it as a skill. No manual prompt engineering. The README shows quick start commands, supported sources, and export options. So it's clearly built for AI engineers and RAG builders who want to plug knowledge into Claude without reinventing the ingestion pipeline. Supervision gives Python builders a set of reusable computer vision tools that handle detection, tracking, and annotation without reinventing the wheel. The README shows quick start snippets, model helpers, and dataset utilities so you can drop it into YOLO or PyTorch pipelines in minutes. It's a good example of taking common vision tasks and packaging them as a single dependency that teams can share across projects. Prompts.chat is the world's largest open source prompt library. Browse, share, and remix prompts for ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. The repo shows a clean Next.js frontend, self-hosting guides, and integrations like CLI tools and plugins, so teams can run their own private prompt hub. It's a good example of turning community knowledge into a deployable product. Everything-claude-code is a harness system that gives AI coding agents skills, memory, and security layers so they can work across Claude, Cursor, and other editors. The README shows NPM packages for agent shielding and universal tooling, plus version releases that add CLI support, marketplace modules, and multi-language expansion. Builders can see how breaking agent capabilities into composable pieces might let them swap or extend parts without rebuilding the whole stack. GLM-OCR pulls text from images, PDFs, and scans with a single Python call. The repo shows a clean SDK that handles cloud or local deployment, so you don't have to wire up separate models for different document types. It's built for teams who need to turn paper trails or screenshots into structured data without slowing down their pipeline. Subscribe to Build Things with AI for more AI tools.